hello,
We're here
ladies.
for the interview.
There's only supposed to be one person.
We come as a pair.
There you go. One, two. Thing one, thing two.
Right.
Peas in a pod. Didn't you hear?
Right.
Okay, so, what is your name?
I'm BonQuiQui.
And I'm ShaniQwah.
BonQuiQui and Shanana.
Shanana.
Did she not
Did she
call
not?
you Shanana?
Tell her.
Well,
Tell her. What happened to the last girl who called me Shanana?
The last girl who called her Shanana ended up in the trash can.
There you go. And we got our kids to do it. BonQuiQui number 2 and ShaniQwah Shanana.
It sounds a little bit ghetto, a little too ghetto for this business.
Whoa.
Whoa. Take 2 steps
Wait,
back.
I mean like Ratchet, you know?
No, wait. We gotta calm down. If we gonna calm down, we gonna lose this job interview and keep you working the street for this long. That's hot, Ratchet. Let me explain to you what Ratchet is. Ratchet.
I thought Ratchet was from like, you know, like the block, the corner, the...
God,
No,
Lord,
Ratchet.
Lord,
It's sending your
you did
whole
not
EBT
need to
check.
come
Okay. Sending your whole EBT check on your hair.
oh my God.
Now what do we do with our EBT checks?
We spend it on things resourceful.
Right? Like,
I'm telling you. Like, we do our hair, we do our nails, we get our shoes done. You know what I'm talking about when I say get our shoes done. You gotta get them customized. You gotta get the studs, you gotta get the diamonds, you gotta get that extra stiletto heel. Because you can't just be walking up in a club with a 7-inch heel.
okay, you understand what Ratchet is now?
Do you?
We are not Ratchet.
Thank you.
Next question, please.
Okay, the next... How old are you guys? Girls. Excuse me.
Guys.
How old are you, ladies?
I am not guy.
Whoa. Take 2 steps back, white girl, because I'm about to go ham on your damn stuff. What she just called us?
You.
Oh my Lord, have mercy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, it's just your hair.
Oh.
What is wrong with our hair, white girl? Let me tell you something about this damn hair. I spent $300 on this weed.
300
plus tax.
As you can see, our EBT checks haven't come in.
Obviously.
But don't worry, when we working, our hair gonna look good, okay?
Exactly. When you give us this job, we gonna be looking fresh.
When,
and
not if.
And
I'm saying.
exactly. This is did I say it? I don't know. I said yeah. When you get it.
Okay,
Matter of
so
fact, when can we start?
the next question is, what will you spend your money on?
Obviously
Didn't we
on
just
ourselves.
tell you like
Our
oh my
hair,
God, our nails.
our shoes.
There you
Can
go.
you go deeper into it?
Deeper.
Yo, you know how much we just told you our weed cost like $300.
There you go.
Oh, weed.
That's
How much are those customized shoes?
customized.
You don't even want no
Girl, that's like a bed.
Especially if you put your name on it.
Oh my
Now your real name.
God.
You
You gotta have your fake name. You can't be having the real stuff, because if they know your real name, then they're gonna try to come to your house talking about something. Oh, you owe us money. Like, no, I don't. You owe me money. Hello, I'm the one working the corner. Oh my God.
Right.
This is what I'm saying. Ratchet people.
For
We ain't that.
for this business, we need to know all your names. So what is your fake name?
Sick. I think that's a little personal. What you trying to do?
Right.
What you trying to do? Like schedule an appointment? I
Right.
don't roll that way, boo boo. I do not roll
You
that
not
way.
mix business and pleasure together.
There you go. That's only
My
Monday
mama
through
taught me,
Friday,
like,
12 o'clock p.m. till 12 o'clock a.m.
First and Second Street.
There you go. Tell her. We got a card. We'll give it to you later, but that's beside the point. So back to the job interview.
How many days a week are you willing to work?
Oh.
Can't do Monday, Tuesday because my baby.
There you go.
Right.
You know she got 15 kids. You can't be doing all that stuff. And I can't do Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursdays, or Fridays because, you know, that's just too much work.
Right.
To be doing that many days, like, I got 17 kids.
Right.
Half of them is with their daddy and half is with their grandma. But, you know, I don't trust the grandma because she would try to get frisky.
Right.
Just saying.
And then Saturdays, that's when we make most of our money. So
There
we
you
can't
go.
be coming here on Saturdays.
Can't be coming here on Saturday. We're going to lose business.
Right.
Like we said, we only here so that we don't have to use our EBT cards anymore for our hair and our nails. Okay.
So I guess Sundays for like 2 hours.
2 hours? No.
Oh.
That's that's too much. We can't be doing that. Girl, thank you. We can do maybe 15 minutes. I think that's good. 15 minutes is like above the time we need to even be worrying. Like, oh my god. Like,
I'm pretty sure here 15 minutes is only worth $1.05.
Oh, what?
Okay, excuse me, ma'am. Okay, most of our employees work between 40 to 50 hours, and they get paid about
200. You know there's only 24.
No.
Hold on. You know there's only 24 hours in one day. So how do they work 40 to 50 hours?
Look at this girl. She's a white girl. She don't even know her facts. I need my education. This bitch don't even know what the fuck is going on. Oh, 40 hours in a day. Like, go back to preschool. And do you know how much money I get for doing $15 of my time in the corner? Do you know? 15 minutes. Good point.
I'm just saying.
At least $500. $500 for 15
You
minutes.
need us.
Then let me tell you, we are eye candy.
Why do you believe you'd be an asset to our company?
What does asset mean? I'm only 4th grade, girl.
There you go. Like,
Excuse me, how old are you?
I'm 23.
Exactly, and I'm 25, girlfriend. Don't be asking my age. That's the last question you're going to ask about me. Because I don't give my personal information out there like that. I ain't Facebook.
Can we ask questions to you now?
Thank you.
This interview doesn't involve that.
Whoa. Wait 1 second. Just tell me one thing. So you got a chihuahua?
Yes, I do, and he's so cute. He's like this big, and look, he's like.
Let me find this chihuahua. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna give it to all my family in Africa. Show me this damn chihuahua.
Okay, excuse me. I think this interview is done.
So when do we start?
Yeah.
We'll get back to you on that.
Whoa, nobody gets back to us.
Exactly.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
What are you can't cut us off. We need to know when we start.
There you
what
go.
are you doing?
What is you doing? We're gonna start now. I told you,
Right.
15 minutes of a time.
I'm gonna go
Sunday.
But it's Monday.
Excuse me,
Excuse me, it's Monday.
No.
It's not Sunday.